Here's how to buy Bitcoin in under 60 seconds. This is the Trust Wallet update for 2025. So first things first, open up your Trust Wallet app and click on the coin that you want to buy. For me, it's gonna be Bitcoin. Click on Buy. Now you have two options. You can either buy Bitcoin with a bank transfer or you can buy it with a credit card. It's gonna be the same price either way, so just choose the option that's most convenient for you. If you're buying with a bank transfer, it's gonna take about 3 to 5 business days for the Bitcoin to arrive in your wallet. If you're buying with a credit card, it's gonna arrive in your wallet instantly. Now, when you're ready to sell your Bitcoin, you can go to the Sell tab and do the exact same thing. Sell. Now it's gonna give you the option to sell either with a bank transfer or with a credit card. The price is gonna be the same either way, so just choose the option that's more convenient for you and you're good to go.